Okay, so I want to get the sawmill ready here to use. I haven't used it since, well, it was freezing last time I used it. Not exactly sure when that was. But I think I did a video of it. So I guess we could look there and see. I love this cover, but it's kind of heavy. It's a job to get it off here, but it definitely protects the saw. This saw hasn't been started in a long time, so I don't know if that's going to be a problem or not. All right. Set that there out of the way. And let's check the oil. Where's it easiest to get to? I'm not sure. Let's try this one here. Okay. Well, can't actually tell how much oil's in it, but it looks like it's pretty well full. All right, it's got some water I just got down on that, get a little rust. Now, there's one of these, you can turn it around. Where is that at? Oh, right here. This is it, I think. It's supposed to be a different setting for different times of the year. Oh, I see it now. This is the setting for colder time of the year. Looks like it's a two-hand job. Huh. All right. Okay. And I want to line this side up. Sunny time of the year. Hi, Cherish. Hi. Okay. Hi, Baba. There we go there. Now, are we on gas? Oh yeah, there's plenty of gas. All right. So I'm going to change the blade on it, so I think I want to lift it up a little higher. Make life easier for me. Okay, this is locked. Where is it? Yep. Okay. See, I only got 3.8 hours on her. All right. Yeah, this is loose, so that's got to come off. This is probably going to be in the way. So I'll probably need a tool to move that. I don't think the tool that I got here is going to work. Can't remember exactly why this tool's here. Oh, it's not going to work on that. You know, I can probably get past that. Okay, let's see. Still working. Be careful I don't hurt myself doing this. Okay. All right. I'm surprised it doesn't have more rust on it. I know it appeared to be getting dull, but I don't know how dull. I may try sharpening that by hand just to see if I can. Having been in the tool and die industry, I'm not saying was very good in the tool and die industry, but I was in it, so I have a lot of experience with grinders and so on. So it's possible that's something I can do. Take the sawdust off my belt here. Okay, it's back there. That one's in there. So this came with a blade on it. Don't like what I'm seeing here. And then I did have to install a blade. Okay. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. Probably not. Okay. So you go till you fill it, okay, and then you're supposed to go 2.5 to 3 times. So let's go 1, 1.5. All right, let's goes in this direction. feels pretty good. Looks like it's pretty even on both wheels. All right. Now I'm going to loosen it up again. Okay. There's tight. Okay. 1/2. 1. 1.5. 2. 2.5. I'm going to call 2.5 where we're going to do it this time. Okay. I think that's good. Again, I am definitely a novice, hobbyist. Okay. In other words, I got no idea what I'm doing here. It's been a while since I read the instructions. Quite a while, actually. All right. This is my stop log. Okay, I'm just going to get in the ballpark here. It looks like the high spot right there. Okay. Okay. So we're up about 1/2 inch above beyond everything. So I'm going to bring it down here to 10 and say that's about even with the top of the log. And so of course it isn't there. So I'm going to bring it down, what, 1.5 inches and see what that does. I think I'll bring it down another 1/2 inch. Okay. Yeah, that leaves a pretty big slab, but I think that'll be okay. Now, here's the question now, will it start? Since it hasn't been started in all this time. So, fuel is off. Fuel is on. Choke is on. Wow. That's pretty cool. We're going to let her warm up for a minute. No fear of hitting anything here, but this is not tight. Okay, let's see what we got here. So, what I forgot to do here was turn the water on. So now I'm on 8 inches. Take it up a half. You know, that's actually a pretty darn good cut. Might be a good time to turn it over. Let's see. Yeah, we definitely got 6 inches. Oops. Okay. So it was 8. So we're going to go down to 6. All right. So we're going to get here. You know, we're going to go 6.5. All right, here we go. 7. Oh, 6.5. Pretty good. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. Okay, we're going to raise it up to 9 inches. I think I need to get it. Oops. That one's got a long ways to go yet. I think I need to keep it low. Here. Make sure it's pushing against those stops. That's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Now, come over here. Look at this. Bring it up to 8. Looks to me like it's going to be good there. Let's give her a shot. Okay, I think that's enough for this video. And I've got a lot more sawing to do here. And just join us next week and I'll have some more sawmill videos. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share and subscribe. So God bless. See you soon. Stay with us. We got a lot more plans for this summer. Bye for now.